Badgy, the all-in-one solution for creating and printing your own customized badges onto plastic cards. Employee badges, visitor badges, student cards, member cards, or loyalty cards. Badgy adapts to your needs. Strengthen your company's brand image with Badgy. Print badges for your employees onto a top-quality professional plastic medium. New employee? Forget printer lead times. Badgy instantly prints your cards when you need them. Are you looking to enhance your customer relations and image? With Badgy, you can print your own customized loyalty cards from your counter. New customer? Give them their card instantly. Do you manage a school? Increase security at your institution by printing cards for all your students and pupils on a durable medium that is hard to counterfeit. Need to replace a lost card? Print it in less than a minute. Unite members of your club or association by giving them a high-quality badge in the club colors using Badgy. You can easily identify them and protect access to your facilities or your events. With Badgy, print all these types of cards yourself, quickly and easily. Choose your badge template from the wide selection in our online card template library. Customize it to fit your image with the software included. Produce your badge in less than a minute using the printer. Top quality, professional badges printed instantly and easily on plastic cards? Stand out from the crowd with Badgy.